Hello guys, today I am going to share the important questions of banking law unit 1 which are possibilities for our examination purpose. Before this I am going to share a small information about our exams which is on hold currently, and we expect we get the justice soon. Even though we are expecting for justice and everything and all, we need to be prepared for examinations, and on that basis I'm going to share some important questions regarding unit 1 of banking law. So first question we can see here, the explain the functions of the commercial bank of India. Trust me guys, this is very important question which is repeatedly asked in our examinations and previous examinations also. Next question is, what are the activities permitted by the Banking Regulation Act 1949 to be taken up by the bankers? And third question is, Unit Trust of India. It may be asked as UTI also, or Unit Trust of India. You should be little aware about these things and all. Next question is type of banks and their functions. Next is explain the functions of Reserve Bank of India and discuss the supervisory role and powers and management. Here I have given the possibility words or possibility thing which may be asked in the questions. They may ask the functions of Reserve Bank of India, powers, or the management. So I have uh, written all the words here. They may ask functions, powers, or management. So we have to be little conscious about the word which is asked in the exams. We should not be blindly Reserve Bank of India. We should not write only one question or one pattern for all the asked question, because it has different points in powers, in functions and management. So we have to be little conscious. We should not write it blindly where we can lose the marks. Next one is regional rural bank. Next is origin of the Indian banking. It is also really very important. Origin of Indian banking. You may add a little point of the regional origin of Indian banking in all the word questions, because it may relate to it in introduction. Next is RBI, and next is IDBI or UTI. As I mentioned above also, it may be asked as single question as Unit Trust of India, or it may be combined as what is IDBI or UTBI. You have to be conscious about these things, which may they give 6 marks for this, or they may divide and give 3 marks. Next is critically examine the contribution of the regional rural bank in promoting rural economy. Next is SBI, State Bank of India, obviously. Schedule and non-schedule banks. Next is discuss the origin and evolution of the banking institution. As I've said above also, in it is asked in 6 marks. Origin of Indian banking. Here they have combined the words. You can see here they have asked the origin plus the evolution. So there are minor and some differences in this. So we have to write 3 points. We should not write the story, because the students doesn't understand and doesn't realize that by writing the story they may lose marks. Rather, we should give the points, the specific points which we have asked here, the origin and evolution, which are the points which belongs to them. Just write those things, and that is enough. Trust me, that is enough for securing good marks. Next is UTI again. Next is, what do you mean by gilt edge securities? What are the advantages and disadvantages of the securities? This is also one of important questions. Next, which is the same question of the commercial bank. Here they have as the explain the role of the commercial bank, examine the recent trends in the functions of the commercial bank in India. So we have to be little conscious about the present or a recent uh, things about commercial bank also. Just be aware of them, because the examiner may ask question regarding the recent trends also, recent banking rules also. Here they have recent trends of in the functioning of the commercial bank, which may add one or two points in that. So just be aware of those things. Describe the role of the Reserve Bank of India in economic development of country. This is also based on the recent trend or development of India, we can say that. Functions of the RBI along with the promotional role. See, here is also is dependent on the uh, recent trends. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope this may help you in examination, and soon I will bring the second unit questions also. Like and share if you like it. Thank you.